Well, here's the start of day 17. My back hurts today. I don't know why. It snowed again. It's about minus 15 today. I don't know what I want to do today. I could start building some of these walls, but I want to build the lower roofs off this floor, so I could get started on that. I think I'm going to start by building these two corner walls here, and that way I can move most of this material over there. So I'll start building this wall now. I'll build and stand it. I already put dense glass on the rim on the outside. There's that wall up. Now I think I'll build this front wall, and then I got a corner here. I was gonna leave this wall until after I built that front roof down here, but I think I could still just get to it from that wall if I leave that wall out. Now I'll get this wall built. It just has one window in it. Here's how to figure out what your window jacks are gonna be. This window is gonna be 60 inches tall. So this is my cripple. This is where the 2x10 is gonna sit. So it's gonna have a 2x6 sill right here for 1.5 inches. And then it's gonna have a sill on the bottom for 1.5 inches. So my window needs to be 60 inches. So I'm gonna add 3 inches to that. Mark 63. And now I can just measure up from here. They'll be 20 1/4. So whatever the height of your window is, just add 3 inches to it, hook on there, make your mark, and measure up from the bottom. So 20 1/4. I'm gonna put the top plate on it after, because if I leave it hanging over, it's gonna be in the way when I want to stand that front one. I really should have built that front one first, but I wanted to get this corner going. Now I'd like to do the same back here, build these back two walls so that I have the back corner done. But this is my only way down right now, so I'm gonna have to put the stairs in. I just didn't want to do that today because they're huge. They're sitting over there. But I'm gonna have to do that next. Let's start working on the stairs. So the stairs are just gonna be one step down to a landing, and then a big run of stairs down to another landing, and then one step more down to the first floor. So this is gonna be the step, just 2 steps up to the landing, which will go up there. So it'll just be the 2 steps to the landing, and then the big run of stairs up to there, to the other landing, 1 step more up to the 2nd floor. But I'm gonna have to move this railing and these studs. So that step's gonna sit like that. It'll be 2 steps up. Then that landing needs to sit right there. It's gonna sit just like it is. This part will go against the exterior wall, so I'll have to put drywall and then poly on there. Then I'll put it in here. So it'll be, the top of that landing will be to the top of this. Whatever that height is, that's what it needs to be all the way around. It's getting dark in here. But I got those 2 sticks nailed on there. That'll hold the landing while I nail it. I don't know if you can see this, but that's all nailed in. And that one will go up there like that. Well, now that I got that landing and step down there, I moved my ladder to this side. Well, my block ladder. So now I can put this last sheet in, finish this floor off, and then I could build the side wall and the back wall. But I'll probably start that in the morning. But I'm just gonna put the sheet on, and then it's time for a beer.